In this video, we're going to learn how to get our application rate from our use of backpack and handheld applicators. To determine the application rate for a handheld or backpack application, we need to figure out a few details. First, we need to determine our fixed flow rate coming out of our handheld or backpack applicator. We have a video on how to do this, which we will have included as a link in the description below. Second, we will need to determine the swath width of our application. That is to say, how far can you shoot the material out from your applicator. We will need to know this value measured in feet. If you are using liquid product, try doing this in a dry parking lot, and while not moving, shoot the product at an angle that you would normally apply at using the expected RPM and gate settings. The liquid will show you how far it travels at those settings. This distance, in feet, will be your swath width. If you are using granular product, similarly, shoot the product at an angle that you would normally apply at, using the expected RPM and gate settings. Using buckets that are set down at different locations strategically, look for the furthest bucket that chemical deposited in. The distance of the furthest bucket with product, in feet, will be your swath width. Next, we need to determine your walking speed. Measure off 100 feet and walk with your backpack applicator on or handheld applicator in hand, ideally half full of chemical. Now, see how long it takes for you to travel 100 feet in seconds. Using the chart below, you can get the miles per hour. For example, if it takes you 45 seconds to complete that 100-foot trek, that means you're moving at 1.5 miles an hour. If it takes you 68 seconds, then you're moving at a mile per hour, and so on. Now we have enough information to determine our application rate. Take your fixed flow rate and multiply it by 495. Then, multiply the swath width and walking speed together. We will take these two values that we've got and divide them, and that should give you your application rate. Record the gate setting on the handheld or backpack applicator, the throttle setting, and the resulting application rate. If these numbers are okay, then you're done. Otherwise, change the gate setting on your handheld or backpack applicator and recheck the flow rate, as everything else will most likely remain the same. Then plug in the new values back into the formula and re-record the new gate setting, throttle setting, and application rate. For liquid products, if they are similar thickness, they should provide similar results, but as an example, Alticid liquid will be different than BTI due to thickness differences. For granular products, all 1014 mesh corn cobs should calibrate pretty close, but other formulations will provide a different flow rate and swath width at the same settings most likely. But that's it for this video. Hopefully now you understand how to determine your application rate when using any handheld or backpack applicator. If you need any further assistance, don't be afraid to contact your ADAPCO service team at 855-782-3378. Thanks.